This is a Master Lock Pro Series model 7050, and just recently Pocket Woman picked this lock. Hers was a Pro Series 7040, and I don't know what the difference between the two are. They look identical to me. Sometimes the length of the shackle might give it a different number, or the way the pins are configured on the inside could be. I don't know for sure, but I know it's packed chock full of security pins. There are serrated pins in there, spools, wafers, master wafers, master pins, all sorts of things you can imagine there is inside this lock, and it's a master lock. Also the key. This is the key. It's a 6-pinner, and my number is on here. It says ST1 7000B as in boy. That's it. And I do have another key. It's a bump key for Master Lock. And the number on this is M20. That's the blank for it, M20. It does fit. Of course, it doesn't open because it's all cut down to the very bottom. And here is the key for it. And it does have a powerful spring. And it has a dead shackle. You have to turn it, hold it to pull it out. Lock it back in. So what I'm going to do, I single pin picked a couple of times, but it is very difficult to do. So I'm going to do something simpler, easier. And I'm going to attempt to rake it using a snake rake. The master wafers in here sometimes help it open easier. I think I've got it. There it is. Fairly easy. And now, since we had the bump key out here, I'm going to attempt to bump it. I'll make my vise. I don't know how this is going to work, but it's locked. Get the bump key and get the little bumper on there. And we will wrap it and rotate it clockwise and see if we can get an open. Reset it. Try it again. Doesn't want to be bumped. I don't blame it with those pins. I'll give it a few more wraps and then I'll call it quits. This was just a whim. Try it without the bumper. Nope. It has beat me on the bumping. But I did get it on the raking. And this is a very good, heavy, substantial master. I believe very secure. And Parkerwoman, hope I helped you with trying to get a keep length for this. So thank everybody for watching.